In this video, we will demonstrate how you can use Polytomic to sync data from Chargebee to Pipedrive. Because we've already connected Chargebee and Pipedrive to Polytomic, our first step is to create our data model. So I'll go up here and click Add Model, select our connection or our source system, which we said is Chargebee. Next, I'm going to name this data model Customers. And then we can build our model using object select, and I'm going to select the customers object. Next, we can select the fields that we would like to be part of this data model. We can select all fields if we would like, but for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to only select a few specific fields, including the company name, the billing address zip, the billing address state code, and let's also grab billing address line 1. Great. If we had previously created other data models, we could join them together here, but for now, I'm just going to click Save. Great. Now that that data model is created, we can go ahead and set up our sync. So I will click Create Sync. Our destination system, as we mentioned, will be Pipedrive. And we are going to target the organization field or the organization object within Pipedrive. Next, we choose our sync mode. We can update existing records only, don't create new ones. We can create records when they don't exist, don't update existing ones, or we can do a combination of both. Update records when they exist and create them when they don't. I'm going to select that. Next, we have to do some identity mapping and field mapping to make sure that the data is arriving where we expect it to within Pipedrive and that the systems are tied together. So we're going to tie these two together by the company name and then name over here. Great. You could also use a more unique identifier if you'd like. Next, we're going to use the field mappings and use the billing address zip, billing address state code, and billing address line 1. And then I will select the respective field within Pipedrive, billing address zip, billing zip, the billing address state code, billing state code, and a billing address line 1, billing street address. Great. Now all those fields are properly mapped over to Pipedrive so we know exactly where they're going. Next, we can add in model filters, so only data that matches a certain criteria gets sent from Chargebee to Pipedrive. We can set up overrides, preview a sample of the data if we would like, but I'm going to just click Continue. Last step is to set up our sync frequency. We have manual one-time syncs, continuous, hourly, daily, weekly, custom schedule, and sync after type sync modes. I'm just going to click Continuous and click Continue. Last thing is to view the sync summary. We can change the name of the sync if we'd like. We can check to make sure that everything is mapped how we wanted it to be, and add in additional notes if we needed to, and then click Save. We can run a test sync if we'd like to have 5 random records sent to Pipedrive just to make sure that everything is operating how we expected it to. And once everything looks good, we can go ahead and enable this sync to have data start syncing according to the schedule that you set. And there you have it. Now you can easily sync data from Chargebee to Pipedrive.